Hi, my name is Maya. I'm from Harmony Public Schools, and today I'll be talking about plant and animal cells. The animal and plant cell are both eukaryotic cells. The differences between these two is that the plant cell has a chloroplast and the animal cell doesn't. The plant cell has a cell wall and the animal cell doesn't. And the plant cell contains starch grains while the animal cell doesn't. And due to the large vacuole of the plant cell, it's in the center, and the nucleus of the plant cell is pushed back to the edge. But however, the nucleus in the animal cell is always going to be in the center. And these differences can be seen with a microscope. My social studies connection is that cells were discovered in 1665 by the philosopher Robert Hooke. The information we know today about cells has been advancing. My English connection is the biography of Robert Hooke. He was interested in mechanic studies in his early life. He used the microscope to study the structures between living and non-living things and later helped scientists with their experiments. Robert Hooke was influenced to experiment on a cork and discovered that it was made of a single unit. After that, he experimented on different plants and discovered the cells from a plant tissue. Thank you for watching my presentation.